Hello, one and all present here. Welcome to my 27th class, guys. And in this class, we'll discuss something very interesting that is called funnel chart. So, when I talk about funnel chart, in order to work on funnel chart, I need one dimensions and I need one measure. So, we are going to work on the same Excel workbook that is a sample superstore. I have already put that Excel workbook in my data source. You can see this already. We have done this. Now coming to the funnel chart, what funnel chart is all about. So you already seen, like I have given the name of the sheet as funnel chart. You know how to do this. You know how to put worksheet notation. You can do all that work by yourself. Already I have discussed a lot about them in my all my previous videos. Okay, so talking about funnel chart, how I can create a funnel chart. In order to create a funnel chart, drop sales over row. Okay, either you drag sales to the row or double click on the sales. By default, the sale will come on the row. Okay, then what you do, put segment. You can choose any dimension. So I have chosen here a segment. You can choose region or you can choose category, anything. So if I choose segment, put segment into color. So the moment if I put segment into color, I can see three color. One is dark blue, then yellow and red, where dark blue representing consumer, yellow represent corporate, and home office represent by the red color. Okay, if you want to see the levels of this, you can put segment in the levels. So if you put segment, segment is a string. So if you put under level, you can see the value of them. Okay, you can see better option of visibility. Put this in an entire view. Okay, now you can see segment. Under segment, you have consumer, you have corporate, you have home office. You can see them very easily. Then next thing, what you do now to create a funnel. Okay, so what you do, put sales in size. Okay, drag the sales over size. So the moment if you put that sales over size, so you can see the segregation will happen because the consumer or corporate or home office, definitely the sales figure won't be same. So on the basis of size, I try to do differentiation. Okay, this automatically came in descending order. If it does not come in descending order, so make sure that it comes in descending order because you want to create a funnel shape. So as such, if you see in Show Me, there's as such, there's no diagram, there's no chart which talks about funnel chart. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to create funnel chart by using our basic understanding. So now if what I can do, I can put sales under levels. If I put sales under levels, I can see the values. So you can see the highest sales is of consumer, followed by corporate, followed by home office. Okay, so you saw them in numbers. Okay, these values, you can see text which is coming in white color. If you want to change the text or the size or something, click on level. Okay, go to text. You can see three dots here. Click on three dots, select this value. Okay, so font size is coming is 9. You can change to anything. The the font style, if you want, you can change to anything. Okay, you can change the color. Okay, you can change the place. Click on apply. Okay, so you can do this way. If you want to see this in percentage, right click, go to format. If you go to format here, you can see field. Here, click on sum of sales. Okay, you can see this them in numbers like this way. Okay, now before that, what I want, if I want to see this in percentage, you saw this in number. If you want to see this in percentage, what you can do, come to the sum of sales. Don't go to the size sum of sales. You can see the icon. Go to the text sum of sales. Click there. Go to quick table calculation. Then percent of total. Here you got the same percent of total in decimal. Now, if you want this decimal to be in integer form, you can go to format. Under format, go to field. Under field, click on percentage of total sum. And then you can see these numbers. Change this number. Here, two decimal is there. You can decrease or you can make it 0. It's up to you. So you can do this way. This will create a simple funnel chart. Clear, everyone? So the way we did for the segment, here we have done for the segment. You can do the same thing for the region wise. You can do the same thing for the region wise. And then arrange this in descending order. So region, put region under levels. So you'll get the same thing region wise. So probably if you have uh, three or lesser than that sub classification, it looks better. Okay, you can do the same thing category wise, same way. The way I did for region, the same way I can do for category wise also. If I want, I can just drag the category under colors. Then I put in descending order. Okay, then put the category under levels. But this not looking very appropriate. So what was looking appropriate is your segment one. So if I take segment under color, segment under levels, so I got the same. This font size is a little bit bigger as compared to the size of the box what you can see here. So you can change it accordingly the way you want. Now here you go to marks, and if you want you can change it. You can see what may looks better. Okay, so you can look upon the options, whatever the options you have, you can do that. Okay, so here now you can see again you got a rectangle of equal size. So for that, click sales under size. If you click sales under size, you will get the appropriation, because now because these consumer, corporate or home office, the sales of all three are different. So if when you put the sales under size, the size got easily differentiated. Okay, and the area of the rectangle got differentiated based upon the size of based upon the sum of sales what they have made. Clear everyone? Anyone any doubt? So this much for from our discussion on funnel chart. So I like to end my class. So guys, I hope you have understood this class. Thank you everyone. I'll see you all in next class. Take care. Bye everyone.